While you import your model into Substance Painter, even if the model is packed with textures, they don't seem to be appearing. So to import them manually, you'll have to File and click on Import Resources. Choose Add Resources and choose your set of resources. I have metal, normal roughness, and base color for this grid. I'll choose them and then click Open. You can choose your type as texture. Now, after you click Import, it doesn't automatically add the textures as you would expect. You'll have to manually add a fill layer and plug these textures into it. I'm selecting the material to add textures. You can click on Layers, choose Fill. That will create a empty fill layer. You can close the layers and head to the properties for the fill layer. The material, it will have most of the stuff enabled. Now you can drag and drop your required textures into the necessary channels. Normal into normal, into metallic, and roughness into roughness. If certain channels are missing under the material option that you would like to add, you can head to the texture set settings. Here under channels, you can add more channels or remove them if they are unnecessary. Let's say if I want an emissive channel right now, I can just click on plus and add an emissive channel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing.